AgFiniti gives you the tools to generate summary and comparison reports, giving you the ability to make more informed management decisions anywhere at any time. This tutorial will cover creating these summary and comparison reports in AgFiniti. Before creating any reports, an AgFiniti Essentials license will need to be purchased for the account. The Essentials license unlocks the ability to process the available data into maps and reports. This data can be imported directly from your AgLeader display, SMS desktop software, transferred from a third-party platform, or files from third-party displays can be imported into AgFiniti. If you need to import your information from the SMS desktop software, review the card at the top of this video. Once logged into AgFiniti, select Reports from the main menu. This will bring you to the Summary Report screen. Here you can select growers, farms, fields, years, operations, and products you would like displayed in your report. You can also click on Filter to adjust what report information you'd like to view. In the Filter Data window, we can filter by grower and farm, operation, product, equipment operator, or a selected date range. If any filters are active, you will see a green check. After you have your information selected, you can save the report as a PDF file by clicking Print PDF. This will download a PDF to your browser. This PDF can be viewed by you at any time or even shared with some of your trusted advisors. Comparison reports are the other reporting tool in AgFiniti. With comparison reports, you can see how your hybrids and varieties, soil types, and planting rates impacted your yield. By using this information, you can make more informed management decisions on the go. After you have all the data needed to create the reports, such as your grain harvest, planting, and soil survey operations, select the type of comparison report you would like to create. Then select your growers, farms, fields, years, and products you would like displayed in the report. After you have your filters selected, you can further customize your comparison reports in ascending or descending order of a specific stat. After creating the report, you can print the comparison reports just as demonstrated with the summary reports. Now, you have learned how to create summary and comparison reports within AgFiniti. Please review our other tutorials to learn how to utilize other key features of AgFiniti.